you're a beginner drummer and you want to kind of spice up your beats a little bit, well, this is a fantastic pattern that requires some limb independence, but the actual pattern itself is relatively simple. It's not easy at first, but there's not a lot to it. I'll show it to you. Check it out. What we're going to do here is we're going to do our kick and hi-hat, followed by our snare drum there. So, snare drum by itself. The next note is a hi-hat again. So, we got kick, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. So then we have a kick. Then, finally, we have snare, hi-hat. So to put it into the groove, we're gonna do just a straight up money beat. But add that little combination there on the 3. So it's 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and. Finish it off with that and a 4 on the hi-hat. See you next time.